up, everybody? So today I got a pretty exciting video for y'all. I did something, just a little something, you know. I'm gonna show y'all. I got this wire rope. As you can see, it's here. Took it out of the package. And I am out testing it right now. It is installed. I'm gonna show you all the install video right after this. Stay tuned. But I want to give a shout out to 3.8 Performance. They came up with this for the 3.8 Genesis. It's a basic engine leash, and it prevents the engine from moving excessively under acceleration. They don't have one for the 2.0 turbo, so I decided, hey, you know what? Why not try it, you know? So shout out to them. Shout out to my guys at GC Tuner. I know they have it on their website, so if you got a 3.8 Genesis, go grab one. You'll love it. Throttle response so much better. I'm testing mine out right now. Loving. Bring it all the way and go under that pipe. Give yourself enough slack, and then basically you're gonna stick it in to this loop and then go on the opposite side of this thing, so on this side. Because if you went back around onto this side, you're gonna put a lot of pressure on this and you might snap it. So that's that. Across, in through that side, out through this side, and then we're gonna clamp it somewhere like right there with these little clamps. So once you got those brackets on there, that's what it should look like. Now that we got that out, I'm gonna slip this in here. As you can tell, just gotta grab it. And then I'm gonna want to pick this up just a little bit. Looks like it's clearing. This is not a big deal here, but it is clearing. But even if it does push it down, it's not a big deal. There's plenty of space for it to go down a little bit. Loop de loop. Loop de loop. There we go. Right, now that that's on, check it out. Loops around. There you go. You see, there's plenty of tension on there. Install is complete. You can put another one of these here, but for now I'm gonna leave it as is because it might loosen up just a little bit after a couple pulls. Everything settles in. At that point, I'm gonna retighten it on this side. So I'm gonna leave plenty of slack for now, just so I can pull it later. There you go. But you haven't even seen the best part yet. If you still have your stock cover, bam, no problem. Mine is broken on the two bottom ones. I'll probably still use it just for the heck of it, just to cover up that ugly thing. But bam, this slack here, I'm gonna chop it off, probably like right there, so you won't even see it. That's what it's gonna look like final. You're welcome. $10 mods with Gen Coop Nation. We out. For those of you wondering what exactly this is gonna do, so check this out. You see how much tension there is? So when you're accelerating, your motor is gonna try to move. Watch how easy this motor is to move. See that movement? The whole motor just moves. Now imagine 200, 300 horsepower. Imagine that. There you go. Test drive time. Let's see if I break anything. Let's get some pulls done, right? Just gotta pass this little curve because you never know who's sitting on the other side, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the police department. I appreciate what they do. I will say that. Let's go. Second gear. 40. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it. Hey. Hey. I know I'm probably like 200 something horsepower, but that throttle response, you know, yesterday I was doing a couple pulls. That was before this engine leash mod. And I gotta say, yesterday I felt a little bit of movement, like for some reason it just felt weird, you know. And I mean, I've always felt it, but yesterday because I was thinking about this engine leash, I definitely wanted to, you know, try to feel something, try to see if there was something going on, you know, movement wise, if it was even worth doing this. Yeah, needless to say, it's worth it. All right, it's worth it. That was awesome. So I've been testing it a little bit more. Check this out. Even downshifts are quite a bit more responsive because you got to think about it. When you downshift, you're trying to rev match, right? And especially if you don't rev match perfectly, you get a lot of jerkiness. Watch this. 40 miles an hour, second gear. Watch. Oh. Oh. I know second to first is usually a hard one. It's a pain in the ass, but here we go. I'm gonna try this. If I grind a gear, my bad. Hey, response, along with the exclusive tune and my basic mods. Hey, I don't know how many times I said A, but I say A a lot when I'm excited, all right? Nah, but for real, this is lit. I don't know if y'all still say that word, but shit, it's lit. Hey, hey, here we go, here we go. Let's do this. Woo! But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, thumbs up, a heart, whatever you want to call it, on Instagram, YouTube, all of this bullshit. And I'll see you next time. Alright, just got back home. I'm about to see if it loosened up at all. I mean, that's kind of to be expected. It is a brand new cable. Once it kind of settles in, let's see what happened. Everything still looks good. Loosened up just a little bit. But you can still see there's still plenty of pressure on that.